Good morning, I'm First Sergeant Gillen. I'm the First Sergeant for Recruit Processing Company. So basically, I'm the Senior Enlisted Advisor to the company commander, Captain Duran. For her question was, what kind of accommodations are there for females and why do they only come to the East Coast? So the reason why females come to the East Coast is because we make them about out of 100 and, where are we at right now? So we process about 19,000 recruits each year, but out of all the Marines in the Marine Corps, female Marines make up about 7%. The other 93% are males. So with us being such a small fraction, there would really be I would say that it just really wouldn't be worth having a West Coast for like a West Coast company of females and then the East Coast company of females, just because we're such a small number. So they all come to the East Coast just to go to recruit training. That's the only reason why. There's no other reason other than that. But to build the facilities over there, to have the medical personnel over there to accommodate females, we just all do it right here because it's so much easier. And again, we process a much smaller number than what the West Coast does. That's the only reason why the females really come to Parris Island. As far as accommodations, did you more specifically, or did I answer your question? Yes, ma'am. So when you go over to the squad bay, which you guys are going to go to next, they're going to show you squad bay. The male squad bays are very similar to the female squad bays. Ours were just built in different years. Are y'all? Where's staff from King? So are y'all going to 3rd Battalion? Okay, 2nd Battalion. So 2nd Battalion squad bays are very similar to the female, to 4th Battalion squad bays. So there's no difference there. We go through exactly the same training as the males do. So really there's no accommodations to female Marines, except of course they have an opportunity to go get pap smears. If they're required to get one, that is part of something that they do while they're in training. And typically that's about it. And then they take pregnancy tests. But anything other than that, everything's exactly the same for the males and the females, except for the haircuts. But everything else is the same. And there's only female recruits have female drill instructors. The same thing with males. Male recruits have male drill instructors as well. Yes, sir.
The question is, are there many people or many recruits that don't pass the IST? I think the attrition rate for the IST last year was 1.7% for the males and 2. It was around 6 for females. This year, so far this year it's 18% for the females.
And what did we say was like 7%?
Yes, ma'am.